Namaste, dear children. In our previous class, in EVS subject, we have learned about what is environment, different components of the environment, how to take care of the environment, how to behave with one another, and many things. Children, we know that living things reproduce. Reproduction is the process by which living organisms like humans, birds, and animals form new individuals of the same kind. There are different developmental stages during their lifetime. So, children, let's learn Chapter 1, The Life Cycle of Animals. Observe these pictures carefully. What do you see in these pictures? You can see a hen and a chicks, a cat and a kitten, a mother and a baby, a goat and a kid. What do you understand from these pictures? They show that the young ones do not look different from their mothers. The young ones of almost all living beings look same as their parents, except the frog and the butterfly. The young ones of these animals look completely different from their parents. Children, let's learn about the growth of animals. Growth means the gradual increase in size and changes in the shape of a developing organism. There are different stages of growth in every living being. Growth is fast after the birth, and thereafter for some time it is stable. Finally, the living beings grow old and die. There are differences in the lifespan of every living being. For example, a child keeps growing from the time of its birth till the age of 18. This growth is maintained well up to the age of 40. After the age of 40, there is a decline in the health of a person, and finally, death follows. The young ones of all living beings are born in different ways. The young ones of a cow, a goat, a cat, and a dog grow in their mother's tummy. After birth, the young ones feed on their mother's milk and grow. There are some animals like ants, butterflies, fish, frogs, snakes. They lay eggs. We do not often see their eggs as the eggs are very tiny. But we know that a hen lays eggs as her eggs are big enough to be seen. Like hen, other birds also lay eggs. To ensure the proper growth of the chick, the hen needs to give warmth to the eggs. To do this, the hen sits on the eggs after laying them. She is said to be hatching her eggs. Hatching eggs means for proper growth of a chick inside the egg, hen sits on the eggs. By doing this, she is giving warmth to the growing chicks. The warmth from the body of the hen reaches the eggs, and the chicks inside slowly keep growing. It takes approximately 20 to 22 days for a chick to come out from the hen's egg. However, this period of hatching eggs may differ for every bird. When the hen is hatching her eggs, she does not come out of the coop. She guards her eggs and attacks anyone who tries to go near the eggs. She comes out of the coop only when she is hungry or thirsty. Even if she steps out, she is back soon. The hen hatches her eggs for many hours. When the chick's growth is complete, it breaks the eggshell and comes out. The hen takes care of her chicks till they are old enough to protect themselves. So children, we have learned today that some animals are born from their mother's tummy and some lay eggs. A hen sits on her eggs to hatch them. The fully grown chick breaks the eggshell and comes out. That's all for today, children. We will learn about the metamorphosis in a butterfly in our next video.